What if there's a AI powered platform with the help of you can design your e-commerce product images, you can deliver to your customers with the most affordable shipping rates, you can get the warehouse and all the fulfillment suppliers and the services from the same platform, and all the tool for required growth and the marketing scaling, all these solutions you are going to get in this single platform. So hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back to SaaS Guru YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about such a AI powered e-commerce platform, and I have talked all the things you can get it here, and best part, it integrates all the major e-commerce platform, no matter it's your Shopify, TikTok Shop, Amazon, Wix or WooCommerce. All you need to just add some text of the code in your site or the plugin and you are done to go with all these AI solution I have just talked right now. So this is the Pietra platform, and with this e-commerce platform or the AI tool, you are going to get all these things that I'm going to just show you right now. For example, you want to design your AI products, you can do it with this single prompt here. And the best part, it is not going to help you with designing the product, it is also going to connect all the suppliers here like this, which can you work with, and they are also going to fulfill your orders. There's also so many great things I want to talk it right now. For example, this is the product images I have just created with the single line of the prompt, and I can do the more. For example, you can see this is the simple hoodies I have generated in the AI anime merchandise kind of the thing. Okay, but what I want, I didn't just satisfied with these images here, so I have also commanded to redesign the image with the model wearing it, and it has done that. So this is the power and I'm really surprised. So you can see this is the product design studio. Don't worry, I'm going to give you all these features demo here. But first let me talk about its pricing, what you need to pay to get started on the Pietra platform. First of all, you can get started for the free to get access and experience its features, its a solution that is offering you. There's also this free tools section, you can check it out, like it will help you to start your business with step-by-step guide. There's also the free business workspace, and this is the generate custom brand kits for your business with AI, create a free merch shop with no inventory. So you can check it out, these three solutions, that is absolutely free. And if I go to its pricing section, its pricing starts from the really affordable monthly plans, and let me tell you, you are going to all the features in that. Okay, so you can see starting from the just $49 per month. It has also the really low budget plans also available, but this is what I meant to suggest you launch and grow, because it has all the features available. There's also these two affordable pricing available, but the features you will get is really the capped here and the limited. Okay, and if you scroll down below, you will find it out what are and how much you are going to save with the Pietra platform. Like sourcing and manufacturing cost you only the $14 month, okay, when paid annually, while the product design, it is going to just cost you the $5 per month, and it is going to compare to Adobe, where you can design the same kind of the images for your e-commerce, is the $49 per month, but here you only need to just pay the $5. So these are comparing the things that you are going to save and get with the Pietra. Okay, so don't worry, because our channel is just the mostly famous for the lifetime deal. So let me give you the lifetime deal here. You don't need to pay the $99, $49 or the $24 here. Just go to the app Sumo or check the link this from the video description, and you will get to here on the Pietra lifetime deal starting from the just $49, and this plan is going to give you the all, like, let me scroll down below so I can show you. First of all, you are going to get the fulfillment order with ease, easily set up your order fulfillment, scale wholesale and the business opportunity, take advantage of an unlimited pick and pack fee. Okay, and if you scroll down below, collaborate with the vetted manufacturers, get access over 1200 vetted factories, search throughout 50,000 plus available products and services. Okay, let me scroll down more. You can also create your email list to send out the promotional discounts to your website subscribers or the visitors or the loyal customers. Then this is the also design products with the AI. This feature is also you are going to get, and here all the things you can see it here: product design tool, storefront, storage and order fulfillment, business planning tools, print on demand, weekly workshops, and cashback on in-platform purchases. Okay, so all these things you have to just pay the $49 one-time fee. This is the one-time fee I am talking about, not the monthly here. So affordable pricing here. And if you want more features, like you want to also sell out on the TikTok and the Amazon, data and dashboard feature you want, website email capturing marketing thing you want, and also want the inbuilt email affiliate marketing, then you have to go with their tier 2 plan. And this is the what I suggest, because here you will get all the things. Not only you can just sell out the products on your own website, it can be your WooCommerce, Shopify, just all you need to one code to integrate with, and you are done to connected Pietra. But if you also want to sell it on the TikTok and the Amazon, that's why I am suggesting tier 2 is the thing you should get it here. And don't worry, somehow if you're not happy with the Pietra, there's the 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you're not satisfied, you can even return it on the 59th day and your 100% money will be back. This is the guarantee and what I like most about the app so much. Okay, so if you want to check out this deal, the link will be given in the description. Now let's get to its platform and let me give you the overall features and its sections overview here. Okay, so this is the home base. Once you got its lifetime deal, and here you will find out all the features section. By the way, there's also these quick actions available here. Okay, so first let me go with its product design studio. So let me click on it, and this is its product design. You have the multiple ways to design your product, like with the AI text prompt, starting with a reference, start with a sketch, or upload an existing design. Okay, so let me get with its AI text prompt here, and I want to create the shoe. Okay, so sports shoe for dating, sorry for casual wear. Okay, this is something kind of the thing I want to generate here, and I can also add attributes like the material, color, texture. Better means the better description, the better image I can get it here. So let me click on the generate, and within the few seconds it will generate the images for me. And let me tell you one more thing, the image it is going to generate with the color, with the design, you can just send out to the manufacturer, and the same product manufacturer is going to design for you. Okay, so here are the results we are starting to get, and I'm really surprised with the images. You can see this is the let me expand the image, and you can see this is how it looks like. Isn't it just cool? And without even any branding, means I can add whatever the branding and whatever the things I want to add it here. Okay, so I have added, and now what I can do in this same image, I can add the logo, annotations, measurements, these kind of the things. I can create more variations like with the colors, styles, and more here. Okay, and now you can see while I have generated this shoe image, I also get some of the similar reference products that I can just connect with the suppliers here. You can see work with supplier, and it is going to design and manufacture the same product for me and behalf me. Okay, and then I can just sell out this product. So this is the Pietra platform integration it is giving me out. So suppose this is the particular shoes as it is, you want to send out to manufacturer to start manufacturing the product here. So you can see I can just send out this construction specification, packaging details, and manufacturing cost. All these things I can send out with the detailed information to my this suppliers here, and they have a lot of good suppliers available here. Okay, I can just get started easily. So that's how it is going to work. Now let's back to its main home section, and now we have the sourcing. So in the sourcing, you can see we have this some of the factory network we are going to access. So first let me click here on the view factories, and I can just close this one, and you can see these are all the factories. So right now it is showing me all the beauty products, because while setting up the platform I have selected that I want to start a beauty e-commerce site. That's why it is just only showing me these all the beauty products. But don't worry, you are going to set up like the shoes, all those things, and you can check it out. Factory also works with Adidas, all these major brands. Okay, means these are the really verified and they're good to go here. So that's how you can easily going to check out their factory network and find out most suitable for you. Okay, there's this another thing that you want to go with the print on demand, inboxes, invoices, order and shipments, my suppliers, custom projects, you can also access all these things in this single dashboard. Then we have this order fulfillment. Here basically you are going to check out all the things that is related to your order fulfillment, and these are all the services you are going to get here. Like we have the view, this thing, create an order, check inventory, ship items to Pietra, order kitting services, fulfillment rules, all these things basically you are going to check. Then we have this one, storefront. You want to create your own site if you don't have with the e-commerce sites like platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce or anyone, then you can also create the Pietra storefront site that is going to host it on the Pietra platform itself, and you will get the CDN, you will get the hosting, you will basically get all the things here. Then you can customize the logo, manage the products, private wholesale, all the things you can easily manage here. This is also great initiative I have liked with the Pietra. And let me tell you, if still you don't have any site, or if you have already one, this is the both way you can go started with the Pietra. Then this is the sales and marketing, this is the analytics, this is the educational. In the educational you will find out some great videos, tutorials and the workshops to get more started and understand better about the Pietra platform. Okay, so many videos they have available right now. And in the sales and marketing you will find out a lot of the good tools that you can use for marketing and grow or scale your site, like email list builder, influencer marketing, data and dashboard. You can set up your TikTok shop. Okay, then this is the where you are going to set up your store on the Shopify and going to connect here. You can see set up a Shopify website. If you don't know, just check where step-by-step guide. And if you want to just connect your already available Shopify store, just click it here. Same thing we can do with the WooCommerce here. Okay, so this is all the features I have showed you. I know this is not that kind of the detailed demo here, but I want to talk about the introductory overview and the features and the system that is the interconnected with each other in the single platform. Like you don't have to pay for extra for the marketing tool, you don't have to pay the email marketing tool, you don't have to pay for the designing tool for the websites. Just get its lifetime deal here, starting from the just $49. Although I suggest go with their tier 2 plan, because here you will get the more extra features that is going to help you, like including your own website you can sell on the TikTok and the Amazon, and it is going to boost your sales up to the 10x, because both are the really good and the popular platform. Then you are going to get the email captioning and the inbuilt affiliate marketing to offer your other people to affiliate your products and get more sales. Okay, so this is the thing. If you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description. And that's all I want to talk about in this video. So make sure you like this video, and if you enjoyed, by the way, and subscribe this channel. And one more thing I want to tell you here, I recently just started my AI newsletter where I am going to send out the latest AI tools trend, what are the things you are missing out, so you don't have to just explore the net to find out tools yourself. You are going to get the exclusive content based on the AI tools, in-depth articles, reviews, tip, and you are going to stay informed about the latest and the trendy newest AI tools and the software innovation. All these things you are going to get straight in your inbox. So make sure you join also this newsletter. This is absolutely free. Okay, so you will also find this link in the description of this video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you also check out this Pietra platform, and if you want to just access the free trial, this is the platform. Get to here, create a free account and experience this feature before actually you want to get enrolled in their lifetime deal. Okay,